2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as the Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, heated seats, OnStar, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.